The US presidential election is coming to an end. According to preliminary data, Biden is still ahead of Trump. The number of people who voted for Biden is around 270 electoral votes. At the same time, Donald Trump is not going to give up easily, and he is preparing a lawsuit about fraud with ballots and a request for a recount of votes. US dollar index, which measures the strength of the greenback against a basket of 6 major currencies, is trying to break the lower border of yesterday's trading range, located at the psychological level of 93.00. If Biden wins, market uncertainty may only increase, as his approach to the economy is still unclear. What's more, the US dollar is under pressure in anticipation of the results of today's Fed meeting. At the last meeting, the Federal Reserve decided to leave the interest rate unchanged. However, it voiced concerns about the uneven recovery of the US economy. Amid the downgraded economic forecast, the central bank will keep the Q rate near zero until at least 2023. Naturally, investors are not happy with the dovish rhetoric, which is bearish for the US currency. The stock market, on the contrary, is gaining momentum. The US equity market is not the only one that is experiencing a boom. For instance, the Nikkei hit the record high. The yen is also trying to take advantage of the weakening US dollar. The yen-dollar pair is expected to fall and consolidate below the level of 104.20, which will signal a strong bearish bias. If this scenario comes true, the pair will tumble to 103.73. However, an upward movement looks also possible. To develop a rally, the pair needs to fix at the trend line above 104.78. If so, it may well rise to yesterday's high at 105.35. If the optimistic mood still dominates the stock market, the pair may advance to 106.03. Like many other currencies, the Australian dollar is flexing muscles amid a decline of the greenback. It has reached a 3-week peak, breaking above the 0.72 level. It's likely to extend gains if it consolidates above the 0.7222 level. In its turn, it will open the way to the bullish target at 0.7280. To resume the downward movement, it should go below 0.7120 and then to 0.7058. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.